What's up, everyone? Everything's designed specifically for the curbing industry. Ryan Wolfrath here, Curb Depot, going to break down the 23-foot landscape curbing trailer designed by Curb Depot. So as you can see, this is an amazing trailer, inside out, plenty of storage space, plenty of sand space. There's nothing like it in the industry when it comes to the details, the weld, the quality, what we put into this trailer. So you're looking at 2.5-foot side rails. You can get probably close to a good 750, 800 feet of sand out of here. Comes with the G-rated tires, just for sturdiness, strength, sidewall protection. We'll open this up, go inside. You have real heavy door, flip down. Plenty of space to build your shelves, however you want to design your trailer. I'm a good 6'2", plenty of space, being able to stand up in here. A lot of people will put, I think in our design, we got all our release pails here, curb rollers, different stamps up top. We have our natural stone stamps, Boise's, Wolfie stamps. Curb machine will tuck under here. Bed edger can fit in here. Buckets of color added on, so plenty of space versus you see a lot of people in the industry's other trailers, there's just no space for it. Or a double door or a fold down. It eliminates a lot of the storage space that you need. So when going through looking at trailers, put all that into perspective. Locks, space to lock it all up. Going back, then you got space for your mixer, space to get in while you're mixing, even a place to stand, so you're constantly watching the mix. So here with this mixer, this one here is the Brave Pro, very nice mixer, poly drum. I'm a huge fan of the poly versus metal. Metal I feel like wears out way quicker. LED lights, everything we have on this thing is top notch. We wanted to not go cheap. This one does have the Brave Pro, otherwise we do put the Whiteman on. Both, once again, retail price is right around the exact same. Both very solid mixers. Dexter axles, some of the best axles in the industry. This one here specifically, we went black rims, black diamond plate, all sealed up, aluminum shell going around. This has a custom toolbox, custom powder coat. So room to store any of your molds if this is where you want to put it, or just specifically tools. All around great trailer. I haven't seen anyone top it in the industry.